Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Epson EF-100B with a laptop. And to do this we'll need HDMI cable I have right here, and then we can take a look on our Epson projector. We'll need to open a hatch on the back, and there's a gap right here. We'll need to stick our finger there and then simply pull the hatch to ourselves. Now it should open, and inside there's a cable for HDMI, so we're gonna connect it. Then you'll need to find the HDMI cable plug on your laptop. I have one right here. And then when it's connected, it should instantly transfer the display to your projector. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.